everybody! Today we're going to be making Moana inspired shish kebabs. I love making shish kebabs with the kids because A, you can get them involved, makes them more interested in trying things. You can put a whole whack of different wonderfully colorful vegetables on it, so that you're getting a lot of different nutrients, which is fantastic. And you know, when you have it called something cool like Moana shish kebabs, then you know the kids, it makes it more interesting for the kids, right? So then again, they're more interested in trying it. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Kelly, and I am the head nerd mom with Nerd Mom Nutrition. And this whole channel is basically about making, different meals and recipes and snacks that are nerd fandom inspired, that kids will love. So, like I said, today we're going to be making shish kebabs. So we're actually going to do pork shish kebabs. I have some things already prepped. As you can see, I have my pineapple already cut up. I have all my veg already cut up. And I've been soaking my bamboo skewers so that they don't burn. And I soaked those for probably about an hour. Yes?
Bamboo's really good for the environment, so I'm happy.
Oh, good. Okay.
I'm happy.
Excellent. Yeah, good. All right. So, what I've got here is, like I said, I've got the pork that's been marinated. I've got pineapple. I've got portobello mushrooms. I really like using portobello mushrooms because they're meaty. They stand up a little bit better. So they're just a little bit better to use. We've got some baby tomatoes, some red peppers, green peppers, and red onion. As you can see, I tried to get a whole whack of different colors, and the reason is because different colors tend to have different nutrients. So, you know, green foods a lot of times will have iron, or B vitamins and vitamin C. Peppers actually are fantastic for vitamin C. Tomatoes have beta carotene, vitamin C, lycopene. So yeah, when you look at getting different colors, and then on the side we're actually going to, yesterday I made a tabbouleh salad, a quinoa tabbouleh, which has its own set of nutrients. So I made enough so that we could serve that on the side today, just to round everything off.
Want me to get it so we can show them?
We'll show them when we show them the plate after.
Good idea.
Okay. Alrighty. So, like I said, you do want to make sure you're soaking your skewers for probably about an hour beforehand, because you don't want them to burn if you're grilling them on a barbecue. Okay, so this is going to be a super easy one. All we're literally doing is we're taking a bamboo skewer and we're going to just start putting some fruits and some ingredients on it. Yeah.
Can I do one?
You can help. I'll do the meat so that you guys aren't touching the meat, but you guys can help with some of the other ones, okay?
Okay.
You just got to be careful with them because look, they've got a pointy end, okay? You want a piece of pineapple?
Can I eat it?
Yeah, we got a lot of
Can I
pineapple.
too?
Yeah.
They're so good.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to start with, and now when you're making shish kebabs, you do want things to be fairly chunked up, so that it'll go on the shish kebab and not fall off and not break. All right, do you want to put a piece of pineapple on?
Pineapple?
There we go. Okay. Do you want to put maybe one of the peppers on?
Green.
Okay. You might want to use two hands.
Okay.
There we go.
Poke!
There you go. All right, do you want to put maybe another pepper on? No?
Onion.
Okay.
This is going to taste good.
Gonna taste yummy?
Yeah.
What would you like to put on?
Mushroom.
A mushroom?
Portobello
Two hands.
mushroom.
Two hands.
Mommy,
There you go.
what's portobello mushroom taste like?
Delicious.
Is it the normal
There we go.
mushrooms?
What do you
Ones
want to
that
put
we
on?
usually eat?
Yeah, well, we a lot of times buy the baby bellas, and baby bellas are just small versions of portobello mushroom. Watch your fingers. There you go.
Oh.
And how about a red one?
Mm.
2 hands.
It honestly kind of looks like a sandwich because
A
the
little bit.
tomato was on it.
Okay. Now we're going to do it in the same order again so that looks cool. So, pineapple.
But what if we run out of fruit?
That's okay.
Pineapple,
Green.
green pepper,
Yeah. Onion.
onions,
Mushroom.
mushroom.
2 hands.
And are we all going to make all of them the same, Mommy?
They don't necessarily need to be exactly the same. Tomato.
Tomato. And the last, can I give them a tip on the tomatoes?
Sure.
If you ever have tomatoes, I find that
One.
it's pretty easy that you do it like for this one. I don't know if
Good
you
job.
can see, but there's this green part in the middle.
Oh, where the stem
Yeah,
was.
where the stem usually is. So you should poke it through there. It really helps.
That's a good tip, honey.
Wow!
All right, so now we're just going to lay this here.
Dun, dun, dun.
And what we're going to do now is we are going to make the rest of them, and we will be back when they are all done. Hey, welcome back. So, as you can see, we have all of our skewers prepped. They're nice and colorful. And now we're going to just put them on the grill.
Can I have a piece of pineapple?
Sure.
I do.
Sure.
Yay!
All right, so we're going to go put it on the grill, and we will see you when they're all done.
Now can we?
Yes. Okay, we're back. All right, so as you can see, my wonderful husband has grilled our skewers for us. And so what we're going to do is we are going to have some skewers, and like I said, I made tabbouleh yesterday, so super quick and easy. This whole supper really was super quick and easy because it was just basically throw everything together, cook it, and serve it. So, I mean, the wonderful thing too is like as everything is so nice and colorful, so you know that you're getting lots and lots of different nutrients, which is really good for you, good for your immune system, good for your energy, and delicious too. And the kids love it, which is awesome. All right, so I'll put one more on, maybe.
Tasty?
Yeah, we're going to go eat it over at the table now.
Okay.
There we go. There is our skewers, our Moana skewers. All right, I want to say thank you so much for following along. If you like what we're doing, we've made some other ones in the past. We've done Wookiee cookies, we've done Jabba the hummus, we've done golden snitches.
We done a potion.
Oh, that's right, and we did the draft of peace. Yeah, thank you for reminding me of that. So certainly go back and check out some of the other ones that we've done, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and like, because we're going to do different recipes each week, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. All right. Yep.
This is going to be yummy, I bet.
Awesome. Yep, it's exciting. Alrighty. We're going to go and we're going to eat this delicious meal, and we will see you the next time.